Playing with ChuChu.
Wow!
Hi! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
Okay!
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Yum! It's a banana. Yay! Come on, let's draw the banana. First, let's draw the banana's body. Now, let's draw the stem. Now, let's add a tiny circle to the banana's bottom. Now, let's draw some lines on the banana. Come on! Now, let's color the banana. Let's draw the banana bunch. First, let's draw a rectangle with curved ends. Now, let's draw a banana hanging from it. Now, let's draw another banana. And yet another banana. add a tiny circle to the banana's bottom. Now, let's draw some lines on the bananas. Now, let's color the banana bunch. Do you know which animal really likes eating bananas? The monkey!
Na 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 banana, long and curved banana, very tasty and very long. Eat me up and I'll make you strong. Grow in a bunch, it's a healthy munch. Ask your mommy to pack it for lunch. Sweet, long and pretty yellow. It only takes one flower to grow. Na 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 banana.
See you soon with new drawings! Bye-bye! Hi, friends! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start!
Okay!
Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me! Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a mango! Yay! Come on, let's draw the mango. First, let's draw the mango's body. Let's erase the extra line. Now, let's draw the stem. Now, let's draw the leaf. to the mango. Now, let's color the mango. Do you know what the mango is often called? The mango is often called the king of fruits.
Bum, 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 mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes two to tango. It's not just a fruit, it's the king of fruits. Grows in the summer, always looking so cute. When it's green, it tastes a little sour. Eat it when it's ripe, it will give you power.
See you soon with new drawings!